Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will configure Tailwind CSS in our project. So we need to go to tailwindcss.com and we need to click on Get Started. So here are the options for installation. So you need to click on Framework Guides, and we are using ReactJS. So we need to click on Create React App. And these are the steps which we need to follow. So the first one we have completed, like npx create react app and the name of the project. So name of our front end project is client. Okay, so we have already done this. We need to go inside cd my project means cd client. Okay, so let's go to VS Code, and here we need to go to cd client. Okay, now we are inside this client folder, which is our front end folder. Now inside the terminal we need to paste this command. So let's copy this. Okay, and let's go to terminal, and here I'll paste it. Okay, and hit enter. So we need post CSS and auto prefixer. Okay, these are all Tailwind CSS installation packages. Okay, so let it be installed. Then what else we need? Okay, let's copy this also till the time it will install this packages. So auto prefixer is done, post CSS is done, and tailwind CSS is also installed. Now we will paste this. So npx tailwind CSS init. So this will create two files, which is post css.config and tailwind.config. Okay, so these are the two files which are created. Now inside tailwind.config.js, we need to copy this code, and here I'll just remove this and I'll paste the code which I have copied. Okay, let's save this. So now in index.css, we need to paste this. So let's copy this and let's go to index.css. Here it is. Let me remove everything and I'll paste this. Now we need to do npm run start. Okay, so let's go to cd space dot dot, and here I'll do npm run dev. Okay, this is our command to run the application. Okay, so now we need to check whether Tailwind CSS is working or not. So I'll just go to navbar.js, and inside this nav tag, let me add some Tailwind CSS classes. So class name, that is going to be bg gray. Let's take it 700. Okay. Okay, so Tailwind CSS class is working, and let's add one more to make sure that everything is working. Text white. Okay, fine. So we have successfully configured Tailwind CSS in our project, and I'll do the styling for all the pages in the next video. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you. Bye.